What is up, YouTube? It is DB Productions here. We are at Phantom Fireworks. Never thought I would actually be saying that, but here we are. We're gonna go in and see if we can get anything. I do have a good coupon, so we're gonna try to take advantage of that. So let's go on in. Alrighty, we are now in the assortment aisle. I mean, look at these prices. $1,500 for that thing. Not bad. Not horrible for that. Shells. More shells. Cakes, novelties. Which is your favorite, babe? Oh. $200 grams down here. Shells. What? Yeah. Kind of. Alrighty, we just walked out of Phantom. I'm sorry that we didn't film much, but we picked up some stuff. Had a buy one get two free coupon, so I said, you know what, let me take advantage of it. I needed some stuff that I normally cannot get at my normal stores, so we again checked it out. Honestly, for our first time being here, the setup was very nice. I like how the aisles are, and of course this is one of their bigger showroom style ones, so it was pretty nice. I enjoyed it. The staff in here were fantastic, and I don't really have a lot of negativity to say about them other than the pricing. I think if they did a lot better on their pricing, it would be a lot smoother, but not bad for a quick trip here. But stay tuned for a stash update. I have a show in March, excuse me. So alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. DB out.